model, 2017 Renault Master Business Rear-Wheel Drive, LL35 dCi 130 spares OR repairs Grin. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 180939. Engine, 2298 cc M9T DCI 130 E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, reversing camera, cruise control, electric windows, air con, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.